Hi guys. Hi TikTok. If you're just coming in, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. So in today's video, I'm going to be using two of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, the gold and the nude me eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start off with the nude me, and I'm going to use a dark brown color. So I'm going to use this dark brown color here, and I'm just going to just go in a circular motion. Hello everyone, welcome to my live. If you're just coming onto my live, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. So I'm just using a dark brown color, and I'm just going in a circular motion. And I'm going to use my gold eyeshadow palette. You look good. What are you about to do? I'm gonna get ready to go to work, actually. So I'm just showing you guys me, just getting ready for work. So I'm going to use my Money eyeshadow palette color. It's the gold. I'm trying to show you guys on TikTok if it allowed. There we go. And I'm going to use, I'll try to show you guys too. So I'm just using this color here. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to use this little color here. It's called Legacy. If you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Legacy. Apply that in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to go in with that little gold. I'm using two different color golds. Okay. If you guys are just coming in, tap on that screen. Show your girl some love on both platforms, YouTube and TikTok. Good morning, Yvonne Ward. How are you? I'm just here to learn makeup, nothing more. I see how you are. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Tattoo Felt Tip Eyeliner. And I'm just going to start in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just going to go all the way towards, like going out. Okay, so we did that. Now I'm going to do some lashes. So I'm going to use Eternal, and I'm using the Airy Mink lashes. This is I Envy New Lash Line. This is it. And the name I have is called Eternal. I will leave your channel for good. Just wear a face. Oh, she wants more, but you made it clear. Yeah, I don't roll that way. Thank you. This is the lashes. And this is my favorite eyelash glue. And I'm just going to apply it around the rim. So this is the lashes, and then I'm just going to apply, well, attach it. Can you just leave my channel, please? You know what? Matter of fact, I just report you. Alright, so then I'm going to use my Cool Cafe 2-in-1 number 05. And I'm just going to apply it here towards under my eyeliner. And I'm going to put some here around my lip area. Just a little. Oh, you're pretty. Single. And then I'm going to apply the lighter concealer. And I'm going to spray this. Make sure that my skin is not dry. And then I'm going to spray a little bit of the e.l.f. spray on here on the brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the concealer. And if you do mess up your eyeliner, it's no big deal. Just go back in smoothly and fix it. So that's it. So it kind of give you an edgy look. Then we're going to go around the lip area and do the same exact thing. And that's it. And I'm probably going to use a little bit of shimmer under my eye. Probably use like a solid color. Okay, so I'm going to show you the eyeshadows that I was wearing. I am wearing in the content on this live. This is the eyeshadow palette Gold by I Envy. You can go on IVY USA and purchase this brand of eyeshadow if you guys are interested. And I am also using the Nude Me as well by I Envy. It says Make Me Nude, and this one have a variety of colors. Let me open it. I should have opened them. So this is like a natural color. So I have the browns and gold. And this one have more of like the reddish pink and gold and teal, if you guys can see it. Okay, so these are the two eyeshadow palettes that I use in my today's live. So if you're interested, once again, go to ivyusa.com, and they have 4 different eyeshadow colors. But today I just chose those 2 brands of colors, eyeshadow palettes. So this is the look. Now I need some eyeliner. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses dark brown eyeliner. It's an auto twist. So I'm just going to apply it here on my waterline. Thank you, Miss Yvonne. If you guys haven't, please tap on that screen and share my live. Same as YouTube. If you're just coming on, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my TikTok. Just like this. I'm neither one. But I am a good person. That's all I can say. So this is the look, you guys, for today. Very simple. It's giving like a summer, spring vibe. Hope you guys can see as well. Oh, here. I do. You be missing it. Alright, guys. So TikTok, this is my makeup look that I did here. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Sorry if I came on a little late today, but this is the final look. I hope you guys did enjoy it. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and sexyriri_93, and follow me on my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. I want to say thank you to everyone for showing me love. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.